No there, nice lady.
We're making diamond soap today. Well, actually, it was a couple weeks ago, but we're narrating today.
Yeah, we're having another go at narrating.
Yeah.
We enjoyed the last one, so we're going to do a few more.
Yeah. Adding the lye water solution to the oils.
Ooh.
It's the beginning of the fun. I'm soaping at room temperature. Is there a cat behind my head?
No, it's my arm.
Oh, okay. Just hand stirring it to get things. What's the word? What's the word of 2020?
Oh, I've forgotten all that.
Emulsified.
Consistency, yeah. Something
Here's
like that.
my stick blender that's on speed. Watch all the bubbles it makes. I can't even understand that, but I have 5 stick blenders. I'm still not happy.
If you had a G.I. Joe, I could make a boat for it and stick that on the back of it.
Oh, right.
And send it round the lake.
Play with it in the bathtub with my soap. My brother used to, oh my gosh. He used to blow up my Barbies with his G.I. Joe crew. Like, pretend to blow them up and rip their legs off and stuff. It was so upsetting.
Oh, we've all done that when we're kids.
There's my piping color. Nice bright pink.
Yeah.
And we're just going to pour the piping off and set it aside. Because I don't want fragrance in it. I'm separating it from my main batter.
So what soap is this you're doing today?
It's diamonds. I'm using wild honeysuckle.
Oh yeah.
It smells so good.
That's a nice fragrance.
It is. We have wax melt, that fragrance, and you like it. I mix it in.
Round and round the garden like a teddy bear.
Yeah, one step, two step, tickle you under there.
Now, I suppose doing this it looks easy, and I think it's just it looks easy, but it's not.
It's not hard. I'm using the same color as my piping in the soap. That pink, the white, and the gold. And I never weigh this out. I just sort of eyeball it, which is terrible, but it always works out.
Yeah.
I'm sure it annoys some people though, because I have to keep going back and forth between the little buckets.
So you've got white, gold. Is that gold and pink?
Gold, pink, and white. I'm trying to remember. I think this was going to be just like a plop and drop soap.
A plop and drop soap.
You always blend your lightest color first, and then you can just jump over the pink and then the gold. Or do I jump to the gold and then the pink? I can't remember. Depends what I was thinking that day. Or did I clean my blender? Who knows? It was so long ago.
So this process you're doing here is I take it you're going to do 3 layers, right?
No, I'm going to plop it all together and just mix it around.
Oh, twizzle it around.
Yeah, like sometimes you just, as a soaper, you get in the mood to just plop things around.
I'll just have a sip of my lovely cardamom coffee.
Oh, I love your cardamom coffee.
Any of you avid coffee drinkers out there, if you get some cardamom pods
and put them in your coffee.
4 or 5, it flavours it. It's a very Middle Eastern thing. And,
is it?
Yeah, and Asian, Indian thing.
Say cardamom.
Cardamom.
No, say it like me. Cardamom.
Cardamom. You say
Car.
We say cardamom.
Carda.
So you have to say after me, cardamom.
Cardamom. Did I do it right or no?
No, it's funny though.
Okay, you can try it. Look how thick my batter's getting. This is a problem. I wanted it thick so I could plop it in the mold, but not that thick. And this is, can I tell you what's so upsetting about this soap? I wanted the pink on the bottom of the mold, but the white was setting up so fast. I panicked and I had to put the white at the bottom. Okay, you try cardamom.
What, in a Canadian accent?
Yeah.
Cardamom.
No, cardamom.
Cardamom.
See, plop and drop.
Plop and drop.
Plop and drop.
Plop and drop. I sound Irish when I do that.
How do you say plop and drop?
Plop and drop.
Plop and drop. No?
It's like you say pardon. We say
Pardon?
what?
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 A?
WOT.
Do you guys not say A?
Eh? No. We
Look
do,
how
but
thick
not
that
at the end of
batter
it.
is. Look how thick that batter is.
You're having so much fun here, we're forgetting about the soap.
Yeah, sorry guys.
Anyway, yeah, again, I just want to put a spoon in that and eat it. I know I can't,
Well, this one does look. Oh, I love a good plop. But honestly, the pink should have been at the bottom, and it, to this day, is driving me crazy.
Why does this make me want to have a big slice of banoffee pie?
What?
It looks like banoffee
Oh
pie.
no, what is banoffee?
Oh, it's a lovely dessert. Cream and I think it's butterscotch or caramel.
Oh, that sounds good.
And the
Why is it
pastry.
called banoffee? Why can't I just call it caramel
Oh, it's
pie?
banana, that's right. It's banoffee. It's banana and
Oh,
toffee cream.
no, I
That's
can't do
right, yeah.
banana. Banana grosses me out.
Lovely.
See, the pink should have been on the bottom, and then the gold, and then the white. So, I'm very, like, OCDing out at this point when I'm making the soap. Things don't always work out as planned, you know.
So it's going to be like 3 swirly layers. So you'll have.
Well, watch what I do, because, yeah, I just do that.
Oh right, yeah, to swirl it around.
Sometimes just get in the mood to like plop things together and play in it. For
Yeah, I mean,
there's no like rhyme or reason. Oh, I love that. And then like it's so thick though. Seriously concerned at this point about air bubbles and stuff. Oh, that shovel. I love that shovel.
Oh, that's a little shovel.
You know what? I ordered an ice cream scoop from Amazon and it came with a shovel, like as if you're going to shovel ice cream in your mouth, you know? But I use it for soap because I don't really like ice cream.
I mean, I can just imagine how good that feels, whistling that shovel around the top of that.
Very therapeutic, let me tell you. I didn't even order the ice cream scoop for ice cream. I ordered it for making like bath bombs and stuff like that.
Yeah, what a great idea though. It works, eh?
Yeah, I'm going to put a link in the description below where you can get the ice cream scoop that comes with the shovel because I just think it's hilarious.
Yeah, and always remember, people, if you're doing this yourself, there's no rules of what you can use, right?
Right. There's my baby
wow,
for
little thought, yeah.
I don't know why I'm doing that. Probably because I'm afraid that the piping won't stick to the soap, so I'm just creating like some texture and hoping it helps it grip together, you know? Kind of like when you're plastering. And
kind of looks like you're making a shepherd's pie.
There's my piping. A shepherd's pie, yeah, it does.
And that pink stuff
cheese on
looks
top.
like blancmange.
Do you know I used to hate pink?
No, pink's a lovely colour.
I love pink now, but I used to hate it.
What kind of pink is that? Because it's not too bright.
It's neon. It's neon red with titanium dioxide.
Give it a very, creamy sheen colour to it.
Sorry, it's neon pink with titanium dioxide.
Here we go again. Round and round the garden, like a teddy bear. One step, two step, and a diggling under there. You can get a bit crazy now, can't you? But you gotta have a bit of fun.
Yeah. Pouring it into the piping bag. Oops. It's weird watching this back. It's like you almost forget
what you're doing, yeah.
What I did, what you did. Talking in the third person now. Okay. What's going on here? Piping's a little thick.
You're making sure it's...
I'm scraping everything up the piping bag. And once again, I don't know what tip that is because I'm really bad for that stuff.
Oh, they're like flowers. Little daisies.
Yeah, they're really not supposed to be, but I don't know. My piping was thick.
Oh, but it turns out effective, hasn't it? It looks really nice.
Yeah. Yeah, I'm not complaining because it's going to be covered in embeds anyway. Oh,
and what embeds are you putting on this then?
Remember that day I made like 100 million diamonds out of
glycerin? God, yeah.
And then, like I had about 75 million left. Those are soap dough balls. spritz them in alcohol, and then roll them around in mica. Oh, look how fast that happened. It's like a miracle. There's the diamonds.
Oh, God, they're really nice.
I mean, you can get diamonds in all different colors. It's really hard to... Look some of that car outside.
No, it's a motorbike. Anyway, it's...
look at magic. Thank goodness for editing. But, I mean, diamonds aren't just white. You know, you can get yellow diamonds.
Oh, yeah, of course, yeah. That looks really nice.
I put sparkles on there. Or glitter. Biodegradable glitter.
The aquamarine blue is very effective.
Yeah, I don't know if you can get diamonds that color, but, you know, whatever. I liked it.
You probably get stones that colour, like jade, etc.
Yeah, so this is... What is this? June birthstone or April? I forget. Diamonds.
Not sure.
I think it's April, actually.
Oh, and here's my favourite bit again. Wow, you see, look, it's created like a scene, hasn't it? It looks like...
Yeah.
When you look at the side of it, the top's amazing, but the side of it looks like a beach with a sky or something. I don't know.
Yeah. Do you know on my analytics, this is the part where right after the first slice, most of my viewers drop off? You think it's because all the slices, they assume look... See how the pink should have been at the bottom?
Yeah, to dress it out, but it still looks
my
good.
OCD is like through the roof just looking at it. It smells good, I know that.
Well, then again, there's no hard or fast rules, is there?
No, but like, I don't know. It's an OCD thing.
And that looks amazing again.
Yeah, it's still going to be a great bar of soap.
So what's the fragrance again? Is it honeysuckle?
It was honeysuckle, yeah.
Just honeysuckle?
Yeah. Love honeysuckle. Yeah, here's where my viewers drop off. I think it's because they assume every bar is going to look the same, but... Well, sometimes that's the case, but not when you're swirling things around.
No, I think each bar will be different, right? Yeah, you see, that one's the side. If you look closely, it is different.
I think there was 2 bars in this loaf that really liked the swirls. That was a weird one.
I think those people that like to wish they were doing it would stay and watch it to the end because it's thinking, oh, I wish it was me slicing it.
Yeah.
Again, another beautiful, fantastic soap. Smells amazing.
That'll be
nice
ready.
lather off it.
I should have that up on the website at fruitsofaloon.com in February. When you're seeing this video, it should be already on the website. And you know what? I have to do a shout out because you know what happened? I have a what they call a Ko-Fi or coffee page where you're supposed to add extra content for people to watch. And they can donate like $3, basically buy you a coffee, so to speak. And this wonderful woman named Michelle from Heart's Desire Soaps actually bought me a coffee, even though like my page is so unorganized. It has no content on it. I felt terrible, but anyways, I just want to tell you guys that she has a Facebook page called Heart's Desire Handcrafts, and she makes the most rustic, beautiful looking soaps. So please go support Michelle at Heart's Desire Handcrafts on Facebook. Now, did you enjoy narrating with me again, or are you getting sick of it?
No, I love it. It's just so natural. It's good, and you know, obviously, I always enjoy watching your creations and seeing the different processes and how they turn out. I can't
do this while I'm filming because, as you know, I have to have my music blasting, and then there would be like copyright issues all over the place.
And then you're too busy focusing on what you're going to say, you forget the next process. So